Here is so nice and alive. This is another famous bazaar too. A Rasht today. Iranian people are nice.
به تو فکر کردم خود آسمونه تو دنیای سردم به تو فکر کردم یا بخندی به تو فکر کردم به تو ببر به نام خداوندت که لطف خنجر اطراح تو حکم واجب الاجرایی.
Let's wander Rasht today. Oh, look at this statue. Ha 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 ha. This man. Look at Rasht's bazaar. Look at this nice cafe. Gloves. I've come to the malls and shopping centers. I'd like to buy something. Trying some clothes. My friend is. Oh, everywhere we see mirror. I'm buying these pants. What do you think? How would they look on me? What about this one? Here is the most famous square in Rasht. It's called Shahdari Square in Persian. Wow, I like this street. My friend is coming! Lovely Rasht. This street is well known and there are lots of sellers here. Look at this beautiful umbrella. If you come to Iran and Rasht, visit here definitely. Oh, this cafe. We're not going in, I think. This is another famous bazaar too. We are searching. Oh. We are in Rasht Bazaar and we bought lots of things. Here is so nice and alive. They're going to a nostalgic cafe. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, okay. We ordered some food. Hello, she says hello.
Hello.
Her name is Zainab. Zainab.
My best friend.
I'm her first friend and she's mine.
Yes.
Okay. I want to show you sugar. What do we call it in English? They use it for their cigarettes, smoking.
بله بله.
Yes, bad.
Yeah.
Yes. Look how it looks like. Can you believe this is a cafe? In the middle of Rasht. Okay.
بدون بهم هدیه داد.
Oh, she got a gift. Merci, لطف کردی. Okay. Look at that plate. Okay. Hot. In this cold weather. Let's explore Rasht. The places that we can go, of course. We visited Shahdariya Square. We visited Shahdariya Square. Thanks. Hey, let's get it on. And it's sore, isn't it, Torche? And we are wandering Rasht. Oh, no problem. Okay. What do you mean? You mean I eat? No, I don't eat. You eat. Yum, the most delicious omelette in the world. Orange. Colorful garlics.
آقا یه دونه میتونم
Look. These are some Iranians call it gamaj, such as pots. They work such as just pots, and they make stews in them. What's this?
زیتون پرورده.
It's olive.
سوپر زیتون.
Super delicious. And it has some nuts. Oh my god. You should try it for sure. It got so cold and we are walking in the streets. Oh my god, I was falling down. Okay, I'll let you know where we're heading to. It's really a live city. And it's raining. Oh She's wearing this raincoat and she's so cute. I'm freezing. It's really cold. And but I like the city. Like this raining and like what I bought. Let's explore more. Zeynep, where are we going? کجا میریم؟ سبز میدان. سبز square. سبز میدان square. It's a well-known square in Rasht too. You can eat street foods here, local foods here, and buy things usually cheaper than some luxury actually stores in different other actually parts of Rasht. Labu, we have labu. Labu, wow. What do we call labu in English? Oh, bagali. I don't know more English right now. Hot in cold weather. Yeah, labu. We want to eat labu. Don't miss labu in Iran. This is Sabz Maidan, and Sabz Maidan is actually a park. A park is a square. We want to sit here and eat labu. Oh. Labu. Hot and yummy. Then I try it. Okay, I bought my new clothes and I'm wearing it. And I'm right now in one of our friends' houses. I want to show you the location. It's so beautiful. Okay, look. She's knitting. She's our friend. She invited us here. And this is Zainab. I want to show you around. Look. One nostalgic house in Rasht. Look. Let me show you more. I'm really happy to be here. They are so cute and nice. Iranian people are nice. And oh, I found a mirror. Yes, I was telling you. They are so hospitable and lovely. And they invited us for dinner. We spent some time together, and their house is so cute. And this is the kitchen. They live in Rasht, and we decided to stay here tonight. In this in this house, they does yoga. The wife of this house does yoga and holds some retreats. It is clear. Their house is kinda in silence. The theme of the house and calmness that they can feel interacting with them. So I need to work on my speaking. I forgot how to speak. And yes, that's it. Let's see. Tomorrow we are going home. Tonight we are staying and enjoying our stay here. We are drawing together.
Drawing together.
Yeah.
استرالیایی داری صحبت
پاهامون گرم میشه خیلی خوبه.
Our food is different and vegetarian. Let's have some dinner. Hey guys, I enjoyed my time here and I think it's time to get back home. I hope that you like this quick journey to Rasht. I was so excited to be here, to buy things and to visit here because it was a long time I wasn't here. You can have lots of more fun here too if you want. So, love you all. Thank you. And if you like the videos, if you like watch me wandering, you can subscribe and just to show me that you are liking these kinds of videos for me to keep going. Thank you.